this is going to happen, depending, of course, on their ecosystem. So just give you a small example. Okay, so I'm currently working with a dealer group right now. I won't name them because I'm very, I'm very protective. Like, you don't need to say any names, but so I'm working with a dealer group right now, and I'm working with the BDC manager, very very great BDC manager. But like every other BDC manager, sometimes they're just thrown into the position, right?
Yeah,
So
kind
they
of
were a really
grandfathered in.
good BDC agent, and at some point they're like, "Hey, just manage the team." But like we said before, there's a difference between a trainer, consultant, and a coach. They're all different. So
Yeah.
what happens is, I assess at what point how much do I need to work with this person, and then I put that into basically my proposal. Like, hey, listen, I do understand that you want your BDC to become revenue generating. I'm all about it, believe me. However, we need to repair the damage that's been done to your people. When is the last time that we got this person some coaching? Oh, well, 3 years ago we sent her to a weekend course, or 6 months ago I sent him to do a 24-hour call. It's like, okay, come on, listen. I equate it to this. To put it in a term.
Done, right?
Yeah, exactly. I equate it to this, basically emotional deposits. Every single day we need to make emotional deposits in all aspects of our lives. In myself, when I read, when I do this, I'm making an emotional deposit with my child, or with work, or with my partners. So it all depends on I like to develop people. So one group I was with for a year,